This video is the data collection for lab number 6. We are finding the coefficient of kinetic friction on this track. Your lab notebook should have your procedures, your things you're going to measure, how you're going to measure them, and what equations you're going to use to find your mu. So we are going to measure, or the way that I would approach this is find the acceleration of your system. We have our free body diagrams, so my mg down minus my tension up is equal to ma. Tension and acceleration are the unknown variables there, and then my free body diagram for the box should be mg down equal to my force normal up. Right, sum of forces there is going to be 0. And then my tension minus my frictional force is equal to ma. And we can do some substitution using my frictional force is equal to mu force normal. My force normal is equal to mg. So my sum of forces equation in the horizontal direction for the box would be tension minus mu mg is equal to ma. And then I would only have my two unknowns, which would be tension and acceleration. How we're solving our acceleration, I am going to use a kinematic. So this box is going to be moving a horizontal distance, while this hanging mass is going to be moving the same vertical distance, right? This thing is moving, is 1. So there's two sets of data you could collect. You could measure the height and time how long it takes to go this vertical height and use a kinematic to solve your acceleration. Or you could measure this horizontal distance in time, how long it takes to go this horizontal distance. I guess I prefer to do it this way for no real reason. So I want my height to be the same height each time. So right now my height is about 32 centimeters, right? And I will put my box at the same spot each time to give me the same height each time. So things I'm going to measure. I'm going to measure the mass of my box, the mass of my hanging mass. I'm going to measure the height of my hanging mass, and I'm going to measure the time it takes my mass to go this vertical displacement. Those are my measurements, the things that I'm collecting.